Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a wear test video. I haven't done one since pre-mark, so I'm really excited. And as I've teased in my last video of my favorites, I think, I don't know what my last video will be at this point because I post whatever, whenever, that's me. Didn't get Jeffree Star's new concealer. You guys know I also got his powder. However, I will say that this is a wear test of both products together. I have tried the powder by itself with other concealers and it works amazing. I can say that for a fact. Like, it's bomb, like holy shit bomb. But I still have yet to try the concealer and the powder together. So that is what we're going to be testing out today. And also a warning, I possibly have gotten a too light of a shade, just like I mentioned in my favorites, because God, the launch day was just crazy to order anything. It was just awful, absolutely terrible. I think C4 is not my color. I feel like C5 would be better, or C6, I don't know. I have olive skin tone, but I like to have a bright under eye. But I did end up buying two because I was like, I want a backup. Same kind of goes for the powders. I did get a backup of the Fair, which I already have in my stash, and then I did get translucent because I wanted to try that. Also, I just want to say, for the record, I do not have a dog. Ween actually got a dog. Her name is Callie. She's the cutest little baby. She was actually rescued from a puppy mill, Texas, where she was overbred and tagged. Literally all this little girl wants. She's 6 years old, but she acts like a puppy. Like, all she wants is just to be loved and to be petted and to just snuggle with you. And she is the most adorable little angel. And I am not a dog person at all. Like, my family has never been dog people, and she's like the sweetest baby ever. Like, I can't get enough of her. With that being said, we're just gonna jump right in. I'm gonna start doing my normal makeup routine, and then we're gonna test these little babies out, and I will take you guys along the rest of the day to see how it all turns out. So it should be fun. I'm just gonna spray my face with the Pixi Hydrate. I've gone through this, like, holy crap. Hydrating Milky Mist. I've also been using this as a setting spray, so that's probably why, because for foundation today, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever HD, which, as you guys can see, is like down to here, like literally down to there. I'm in Y225. This is an amazing foundation. But this is the foundation that I did wear to my engagement shoot, to my bridal shower, to my wedding. So I didn't want any other foundation but this one for my wedding day. So there's that. Beauty Blender Leveler Primer. This one is in light to medium, and it is the pore minimizing one because I feel like there's a kind of a flaw with this primer, because like what if you get to the point you can't get all the product out? I might have to cut this open. Let me know down below, you guys. Beauty Blender has come out with a new product. I don't really get what it is. It's like a lip gloss for your face. If any of you guys know what that's about, please let me know, because I was kind of intrigued, but I didn't want to buy it because I was like, what do I use this for? Like, I don't want to buy it and then just have it sit in my, actually get everything off. I really hate how my eyes skin is a different color than my face. Now we are going to go in with the beauty, this is not a fucking Beauty Blender, what the fuck. The foundation, do how I normally do. My mirror is like right here, so that's why you're like, Sam, what the fuck? That's why. I'm gonna take my Beauty Blender, which is a big knockoff Beauty Blender. It's not that great, but I've been using it because, you know, it's a Beauty Blender. Dense, it kind of feels like the Sonia Kashuk one. I remember Sonia Kashuk. I feel like she's not really, like, nobody really talks about her anymore, or her products. You could just hear the pounding, like, god damn. While my foundation's kind of sitting in place for a second, I'm going to open up another product that I bought from Jeffree's site, which is a new lip scrub. It is the Velour Lip Scrub and Cherry Soda, which I'm very excited to try out because you guys know I've had a thing with cherries, but I have a thing with watermelon, my channel. Ooh, it's nice and filled to the top. I still have my watermelon gum one, love that, but they were sold out of it. So we are going to go on to the concealer, really excited. I still have my Beauty Blender here, and I'm just going to open up my powder. I do have the setting powder. This one is in Fair, and I do have translucent. If you guys want to see a video with translucent, let me know. I was gonna do one of each eye, but I didn't want it to look crazy. I am going out and doing errands today. But I will say, as far as packaging goes, love the packaging. You could literally like close it. Love that the pull tab you can pull off, and you guys know I have nails again, so like pulling those tabs is really irritating. It smells like cotton candy. It just makes me want to go like to the whole thing. We ain't gonna do that here. And obviously the packaging, as you guys saw, the star on the front is absolutely beautiful. So he did a bomb job. So good job, Jeffree. Now we're gonna break into C4. I don't like the way this packaging is, but I love this packaging. Like, I love that it's like, basically it's got like a weird, oh, it has anti-aging. We good. So this is still pretty light for me. So we're gonna use a tiny amount because from what I have heard, a little bit does go a long way, and I'm not trying to look cray-cray today, so I may have messed up my concealer color, but you guys, look at this packaging. Like, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Holy shit, like, I can't even. If you guys notice that I'm taking a lot of deep breaths, I am very congested because I am allergy season. Wow, that's really like, fuck, I fucked up. Damn, you done fucked up? Yes, I did. All right, so I'm already getting creasing of foundation under my eyes, but like I told you guys before, I already have natural creases under there. Like, it's just gonna fucking happen. Like, no one, I really feel like no one has a creaseless under eye. Nobody. So don't come after me for that, but nobody does. Anyway, so we're just gonna go in with the, for the occasion. We're just gonna go in. Oh my god, that is so bright. Oh god. Wow. I'm gonna look freaking crazy. Oh, and I didn't even have to dunk back in. So I was just like, yeah, we're gonna use a little bit. So now I'm just gonna start blending it out, and it is blending really nicely so far. This color is really, I do not like this sponge. I can say it for the record, so I feel like that is doing a lot of annoying things for me right now. You guys know I like to take it around the eye. Wow, holy crap. Okay, so moral of the story, if you get a concealer that's really light for you, don't use as much as I did. Even though I said I was gonna use a little bit, I went a little ham. And I'm gonna drag it over my eyelid. I just like to do that anyway. I don't know why people don't do that. I fucked up so bad. Holy shit, that's awful. Girl, what were you doing? I can't even begin to tell you. All right, so thank God I'm using fair, because if I use translucent, I'd really be like, whoa. So I'm gonna dump in with the Jeffree Star Morphe. I don't even know what brush this is. JS2, I don't know. And before I do that, I'm just gonna make sure that I have no creases underneath. I'm just gonna set that. I've been really trying hard to set my concealer the right way this time. Okay, so that definitely took a lot of the whiteness away, thank God, because wow. But Jeffree knows what he's doing. He knows what he's doing, because this looks amazing. Creases, and it doesn't look really cakey and creasy. It looks really flawless. So okay, I definitely have to say that using the fair powder over it has helped tone it down a lot, because it was a lot more white before, but it is so brightening. Holy crap. And it covered everything. Wow, just wow. So I am going to set the rest of my face, conceal the rest of my face, set, go through my whole thing, and then I will check back when I'm done to let you guys see how it looks with all of my makeup on. All right guys, here is the first not really check-in, but I'm just because I want my makeup. My phone almost went in the coffee. Anyway, here is my makeup. It is all completed, and so far I'm gonna take out my mirror. I mean, besides my error of mascara, because I'm using a new mascara primer today. I have my natural creases, but it looks pretty bright, pretty matte, pretty full coverage, and I'm impressed so far. So we'll see how this is gonna wear throughout the day, because I will never be like completely like no creases, because I'm human and humans are normal and have creases. That being said, let's see how this wears throughout the day. I also put it all along like my chin, my nose, my forehead, everywhere else. So I am very bright today, and a lot of highlighter. So hey guys, so it's a little bit later now since I put on my makeup, and besides my normal creasing, I'm not noticing any craziness around my eyes at all. Like, it's not settling into the creases, which is great. I still look really bright and really awake and great, and I absolutely, so far, am in love with the concealer and powder together. It looks so good. I got no complaints. It is probably about 4 or 5 hours since I initially put my makeup on, and it still looks bomb. So far, so good. Hey guys, so I'm about to shower, but I did want to let you guys know, and I did pick, you guys know how I do. Did want to do a final check-in for the day. I didn't get to do a midday check-in. Well, I kind of did, but this is what the foundation, the concealer looks like now. I feel like it's still held up pretty well, although I kind of feel like since I have really bad allergies right now that my under eyes are even crazier than normal. But honestly, I'm very happy with it. I know the lighting probably makes it look really weird, but I don't see any crazy creasing. I don't see, like, it's still really matte under there, which is what I like. So I'm really happy about that. Overall, I think I do need to try out the concealer again and not use so much product as you guys saw. It's a work in progress. So hopefully I will get better at that. And obviously once I'm done using C4, I'm gonna move on to a concealer that is more of my shade. When I first saw the shades, I was like, oh, I am gonna get this one. And now I'm just like, no, you don't get that one. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and helped you out in some way. Let me know down below your experiences with the new Jeffree Star concealer and powder. If you like them, if you don't, if you like one thing and not the other. I just like to know because I'm curious. So I want to say I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of me. Like the video if you enjoyed, and turn on post notifications so you know when I post a new video, because hopefully it is every Wednesday and Friday. If not, it's about twice a week. I'm trying to upload. We are trying to get back to where we were. So there's that. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.